This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by John Powers. Total renovation of this charming Cape Cod includes tons of new features. The brand new gas pack HVAC system brings state-of-the-art, efficient heating and cooling. The kitchen shines with new countertops and cabinets, a new fridge, and a new gas stove. Other features include a new roof with a 50-year warranty, a brand new bathroom with sleek features and LVP flooring, an upgraded laundry room with new luxury vinyl floors, new padded carpet on the stairs for comfort, hardwood floors throughout the house, new exterior and interior doors, a new moisture barrier under the home, and termite, yard, and house pest control treatment with a renewable contract. Outside you'll find professionally trimmed trees, a beautiful patio, and a welcoming front porch. This home offers comfort and style in the heart of Hampton. Don't miss out. Schedule a viewing with the listing agent today. April 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below.